Hello, my fellow sneakerheads. This is Sneaker Resident Benjamin Scott. Welcome to Sneaker Jamz, the Fashion Files. And please welcome my co-host, Deja Dobbins.
Hello.
So today we're gonna show you some outfits that me and her we both been wearing, and they're very dope too. So, Deja, do you have something you want to show?
Yeah, so today for the Fashion Files, I brought now the summer is finally here in Chicago. I did bring a more so seasonal kind of look with the summertime coming and stuff like that, and plus with us having like these 90-degree days, I stuck with something kind of breezy, as well as fashionable. I like to consider. So I love. I don't really kind of wear sneakers. A lot of times, only kind of when I'm just, something kind of breezy. So I kind of stuck with the classic Pumas just because I thought they were, a really kind of like thin shoe. It also kind of gives me a little bit more, like breathing, like, for your feet and things like that, just with the summer and stuff like that, sometimes it gets a little hot. So I think that these shoes are, very stylish. Just very kind of, you can like kind of dress them up, kind of dress them down. I love the color of it as well. Sometimes people kind of can go with more so a basic color like black or white. For the summer, I always prefer something a little bit more risque, meaning colorful, or something like that.
Yeah, that's absolutely true. I mean, look at this shoe right there. This looks beautiful, and it's like she said, it's summer risque, and it's very dope. It's very dope. For me, I also, I am a sneakerhead, and I have been wearing these, my Air Jordans. These are I call them the Tar Heels because it's like North Carolina. You see the light blue here, and of course a little bit of gray. I love wearing these, and I still wear them every day. And of course, whatever outfit, whether it's blue or black, I can definitely wear them big time. And I can even wear these for Autism Awareness Month. So you have other outfits you can choose?
So with this shoe, like I said, I like to keep it kind of classy, but also very kind of like summery. So I actually would match it up with just like a top that I got for Forever 21, just because again, instead of going with the classic black or the classic white, you could go, with the peach color as well as even like the green. And that's why I kind of like this blouse to kind of go with this shirt, is because it just kind of accents the shoes as well. And then you can just kind of put like some black bottoms. I just brought some, like black shorts. You could dress them up with like black pants, black capris, anything like that you can use with that, and it'll still kind of give you that summery look. And whenever I'm wearing something, so just light, I always try not to kind of over accessorize. So just maybe like some earrings or maybe just a bangle. For this specific look, I did choose just some very cute earrings that I also got from Forever 21. And I just thought, again, it just matched perfectly because it's kind of like multicolor, but I like the fact that, again, it kind of matches the shoe very perfectly. And it's just kind of I just feel like it's a unique style. So that would kind of be what I would kind of just throw. And then if I do like large earrings like this, then I probably wouldn't do like a bangle or a necklace or anything like this, because this alone kind of stands and kind of makes a statement on its own.
That's a very good match, for an outfit, and you can match the jewelries with it. That's dope. I love that. I really love that. For me, I'm also into spring and summer and even fall look, and this is my favorite. This is my polo shirt, my light blue polo shirt. It matches with the sneakers as well, And if I want to do something casual, I have here my blue blazer, and this is my blazer. And of course, to tell y'all the truth, I have worn this at different autism awareness events, and of course, it matches with the shirt. So you can match that with the sneaker, and of course, the jeans as well. So you gotta be ready. And it's like, and if you want to wear them, if you want to wear, pants and casual shoes, or better way, sneakers. That's how we match. That's how we match the colors with it too. That's that's definitely how we match the colors. So, me and Deja, we want to tell y'all about, how we got into the modeling gigs as well. As you recall, I did say that I did start modeling in 2015. Well, it is true. I did start in 2015. It was a tough one. So, and when I was in my first photo shoot, I had on a black suit, pink short sleeve shirt, polo shirt, and I had some Nike pumps to match with them. It was fun. It was absolutely fun. I even had my sunglasses as well, and my career just took off, and I've been in fashion shows and all that stuff. It was absolutely fun. How about you?
Same thing, similar. I actually started modeling way back in 2009. A lot of the events that I participated in, they actually provided the outfits. So that kind of did take the pressure out of having to kind of find your own. But in addition to that, I did kind of have to bring some outfits of my own for some of the, fashion shows and things that I did. Whether it was kind of like just standalone pieces or like accessories or something like that. So it's always good to kind of have a good wardrobe so that in the event that something kind of like comes up spur of the moment, you kind of can go right into your closet and say, okay, I got something perfect to go with them shoes, or I got the perfect earrings that'll look right with that outfit. Of course, always speak to the designer because sometimes they kind of have their own look in mind. But if they're completely open to you bringing, a few accessories of your own, definitely go for it.
Definitely, yeah, that's absolutely true. And of course, me and her, we've been in different photo shoots. Of course, I have holiday ideas, where there's Christmas or Halloween or even New Year's Eve. We just gotta match with an outfit that we wear, or either casual shoes, sneakers, dress shoes. It it makes our look more better. So, because we want to be more professional, we wanted to show everybody what we do throughout the fashion industry. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah. So, myself and Deja, we both been in photo shoots. So, trust us, we know some good. We are very experienced with it. But we also got some advices for y'all. So, Deja, you start off first.
I always say when it comes to fashion, don't try to, go broke trying to keep up with the Joneses. There are a lot of great, stores that kind of have great fashionable looks that doesn't, cost, an arm and a leg. And a lot of designers started, using, worn clothes or thrift store, clothes from the thrift store. So always keep that in mind so you don't have to, go broke trying to, have a good fashion sense. Fashion is, in my opinion, very expressive. So be who you are. Of course, make it your own look. The clothes do not wear you. You wear the clothes. So regardless of what you put it on with confidence and feel good about your choice.
And also stay positive as well, because you got clothes in your closet, you can match up with them. You have your casual sneakers, you can even have your casual shoes on or dress shoes. Just dressing up or dressing down. Just be you. That's part of being ourselves. You know what I'm saying?
I agree. I completely agree, Benjamin.
And I know you guys do. Well, we hope you enjoy our outfits. There's plenty of more on our way on the fashion files. Now, every time y'all ask me this question, what kind of casual outfits should we bring on the fashion files, or which special guests should we bring on the fashion files? What do you think, Deja?
I think they're gonna have to wait and see, Benjamin.
Well, that's for us to know, and you to find out. Okay. Well, we hope you enjoyed the first episode of the Fashion Files. Please stay tuned for more Fashion Files episodes along the way. And as always, I'm Benjamin Scott.
I'm Deja Dobbin.
And we'll see you guys next time. See ya.
Bye bye.